Hey guys, it's Ted here. Only Gallup makes Clearview doors, and we're going to show you how they work.
Mike here from Gallup. Let's go over how to operate your new Clearview door. It's very easy. There's 3 modes of operation. You have your open. When you're ready to open your door, and you would push your jog button. When you're ready to close the door, move it to the closed position, and again, use your jog button. And when you're ready to use it in automatic mode, you'll click it to auto, and you're all set. At any point, if you need to close the door during operation, you can hit your E-stop to stop the door in emergency. Only Gallup makes the best Clearview door in the business.
Thanks for watching, and subscribe to our channel. And when you think car wash solutions, give Gallup a spin.
Only Gallup.
Only Gallup.
Only Gallup.
Only Gallup.